Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at how to prevent apps from accessing text or messages in Windows. For a more in-depth look at the subject, be sure to check out the article in the description. If you want to do this in Settings, then open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, scroll down and look for Messaging. You can turn it off altogether by toggling off messaging access, or you can also toggle off let apps read messages. You also have the option of turning off specific apps. We can also do this in the registry editor. However, before you do, create a system restore point, back up the registry, or both. Open the registry editor, go to H key, local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Capability Access Manager, Consent Store, and Chat. In the right pane, look for an entry called Value and click on it to open it. Change the value from Allow to Deny. Click on OK. Restart your PC to let the changes take effect. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.